Introduction. Tax is not just an obligation, but a fundamental investment in state financing. Without tax, the state will not be able to carry out its functions such as providing public service, building infrastructure, and maintaining defense. Why tax law matters? Tax law provides legal guarantee for the government, our as the collector, and the taxpayer, our as the payer. This law regulation the rights and obligation of each part, prefer arbitrariness, and ensures justice. Next, definition and scope of tax law. Tax law is the overall regulation that governs the relationship between the government, our as tax collector, and the taxpayer, our as taxpayer. Scope of tax law includes 1. Tax subject and object. What is tax and what is tax? 2. Tax rate and basis. The amount of tax and the basic for its calculation. 3. Taxpayer right and obligations. The right to obtain restitution and the obligation to report. 4. Determination, procedure, and legal sanction. How the government sets tax and sanction for violators. Next, principles of tax law include 1. Juridical principles. Tax must be based on law. The basis is Article 23A of the 1946 Constitution, which states our tax and other compelling fair for state purpose shall be regulated by law. 2. Economic principle. Tax collection shall not interfere with the economic activities of the community. 3. Fairness principle. Tax must be imposed fairly in accordance with the taxpayer's ability. 4. Financial principle. Tax process must be sufficient to finance state expenditure. Classification of tax laws includes 1. Material tax law. Regulation the substance of tax. Example, income tax law, our PPh, value added tax law, our VAT. 2. Formal tax law. Regulation the procedure for tax determination, maintain, and collection. Example, law on general provision of tax procedure. Next, international tax law. Regulation cross-border taxation. Example, double taxation of evidence agreement. Next, source of tax law in Indonesia include 1. Primary sources are written. For example, the 1942 consistent laws, government regulation, Minister of Financial Regulation, Director of the Director General of Tax. 2. Secondary sources are unwritten. For example, jurisprudence or court decisions that have permanent legal force. Doctrine, our opinion of tax law expert. Tax collection system in Indonesia includes 1. Official assessment system. The authority to calculate and determine tax rates with the tax authorities. our government. Example, land and building tax. 2. Self-assessment system. The authority to calculate and determine tax lies with the taxpayer. Example, income tax and value-added tax. 3. Withholding system. A third party is authorized to withhold or collect tax. Example, income tax withholding by the employers. And the last presentation conclusion. Tax law is an important foundation in state financial management. A good understanding of tax law will help use criticize to fulfill our tax obligation correctly. And tax completion is the key to realizing sustainable national development. Thank you.